Life moves fast, but your well-being shouldn't be left behind. With Mineral Swim, adaptive pool control technology and nature's healing powers work together to co-pilot your wellness. Introducing purely smart AI-driven technology, where auto-optimized filtration ensures your water is always crystal clear and perfectly maintained. This innovation not only achieves optimal purification, but also simplifies upkeep, giving you the freedom to dedicate more time to your wellness and enjoy the full restorative benefits of your pool. Purely effortless control at your fingertips. Monitor and manage your pool from anywhere at any time with seamless app connectivity. Purely invigorating, Mineral Swim combines advanced ozone to oxygen purification with Dead Sea minerals, revered for their therapeutic power over centuries, to create an adaptive pool that meets every need through every season. This synergy relaxes muscles, alleviates stress, and revitalizes the skin, transforming each swim into a soothing retreat. Your wellness co-pilot. Purely smart, purely invigorating, purely effortless. Mineral Swim by Maytronics, an advanced purification system designed to support your wellness journey.